Okay, we're gonna take a closer look at this small portable white noise machine. As I just mentioned, I really like how small and lightweight this is. It is super easy to grab and throw this in a diaper bag, a suitcase, have it in the car, wherever it may be, but this is so easy to grab and go. It does not need to be connected to anything, like no power outlets. This can be charged and ready to go. So like I said, in the car or out on walks, this can still be used. So that's really nice as well. You're gonna get the little white noise machine itself, and then you'll also get the charging cord. So this is high, and then obviously you've got volume all the way down. You've got some timer functions here that you can set 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes, or just let it play. A pause and play mode, and then if you hold that down, it turns off altogether. You have 18 different sounds. You're gonna get 3 of each of these settings. So I will go through those. So this is going to be like your white noise setting. You've got the lullabies. And then you have like nature sounds, animals. This here is like a fan. That last one's more of a bonfire sound. And then you've kind of got like an ocean theme. And last one is rain and storm. And then finally, you just heard there, you can Bluetooth connect this to a device and you can play through that. So that's a really nice feature as well.